In this video, we will compare two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn Nugget and the SMUG Countertop ice makers. We'll explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the better choice for your home, kitchen, or office. When it comes to price, the Silonn Nugget ice maker is priced at $249 United States dollars, making it a premium option in the market. On the other hand, the SMUG Countertop ice maker is significantly more affordable, at just $79 United States dollars. This price difference raises questions about the features and performance you can expect from each product. In terms of ice production, the Silonn Nugget ice maker can produce up to 33 pounds of soft, chewable ice in a 24-hour period. In comparison, the SMUG Countertop ice maker can produce 26 pounds of bullet ice in the same time frame. While both machines are efficient, the Silonn offers a higher output, which may be important for larger gatherings or frequent use. Both ice makers come with self-cleaning features, which is a significant advantage for ease of maintenance. The Silonn Nugget ice maker boasts a one-click operation for its self-cleaning function, while the SMUG model also offers an auto-cleaning feature, ensuring that both machines remain hygienic and ready for use. However, the Silonn's Pebble Ice feature may appeal more to those who prefer chewable ice for drinks. In conclusion, both the Silonn Nugget and SMUG Countertop ice makers have their unique strengths. The Silonn offers higher ice production and chewable ice, while the SMUG provides an affordable option with essential features. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.